Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about this journal. This is a design team project for On a Whimsical Adventure. And from Anja's shop, which I will link her Etsy shop down below, I've used her junk journal kit, Winter Solstice, which is beautiful. And then to coordinate with that, I've used papers from her Yule digital papers kit. And again, I'll link everything down below. This is a ring-bound style journal, which I have been wanting to create this after being inspired by the mysterious Angie. And I will link a playlist that someone has created down below with Angie's junk journals. If you are not familiar with her work, she does not have a YouTube channel or an Etsy shop. She makes journals and sends them to fellow journal makers. And her work is so amazing. She does not just ring bound, but she does do a lot of ring bound style journals, and they're awesome, just layered and all kinds of good stuff and unique things that she includes in the journals, which I think you're able to do with the ring bound style. You can have more substantial pages. So I've got big 2-inch rings on here. I think that's the way to go. So you can add more to it, although guys, I have jam-packed this. I've made a tassel here with some laces, some green sari silk, some rickrack, and this, I love this rose ribbon. And then there's a charm here, a charm dangle with snowflakes and pine cones, a little charm that says bright, a red key, a green glass bead, and then a little bell. Vintage buttons. These images and this little label are from the Winter Solstice kit. Here's a safety pin with another charm that says wish and a couple more glass beads. And so I've gone, here's the back. This is another of the digital images from On a Whimsical Adventure. And I've repurposed a hardcover book. I went with mostly white laces, no tea dyeing. I wanted the newly fallen snow kind of look to this, so nice clean and crisp whites throughout, some ivories, but nothing grungy. And so it measures about 4.5 inches by 6.5 inches. That does not include the rings. That's just the covers. And I haven't even counted the pages, but all of that will be in the Etsy listing, and I'll link my Etsy shop down below. Lots of textiles. This was a collar, a vintage collar, and this is actually the button that was on it. So I just cut a piece of it with this crocheted lace at the bottom and created a pocket. There are tons of tags, some vintage music paper, a label from the kit. So these are pages from the junk journal kit, the Winter Solstice kit, and I reduced them in size. They're printed onto cardstock, and then so there's a lot of these with various laces on the tops as journaling cards. And little envelope from the kit, so more images, a tag, and a little angel. Some Christmas little flashcards. Those are Tim Holtz. Look how cute. And these are also from the kit that you can use in this journal or in another Christmas journal or in your projects. Here is a pocket. The Christmas music, there's a couple of just printables here that are from the Old Design Shop blog, which I will also link down below. Just some linen ruffle on the edge there. And this is from the kit. Here's a pocket with another tag with some more lace and more journaling space. And another little envelope. Just stapled on some lace there. And then more little bits and pieces of ephemera. Some from the kit. A little bird with a pine cone. And then a little mini paper clip. This is from the Yule digital papers. I love this. Some sari silk there. Here's some vintage buttons that I attached to a printable button card. And this is also from the Yule digital paper. I love the polka dot, as well as this. It coordinates really nicely with the kit. This is from the kit. So I think that the papers work really well together. And then again, this is just a bunch of little bits of ephemera, some vintage music paper. So I've reinforced it with some cardstock just because it is an older page from a music book. But I have still loaded up with goodies. Here's a tag. This is a page from the kit that I, again, turned into a tag and added the little angel, the tag from the kit. This is a printable from a vintage postcard that I had that my grandparents brought back from Japan in the 40s. Another tag here. So I found these at Staples, index cards that have this vertical orientation instead of landscape. So I love those. So I included a couple of those for more journaling space. Here is another image from the kit, and I tucked in a little journaling card with some more lace. I just love these pages. This is a page that, again, I reduced down and printed onto cardstock. There's a pocket on the back of this. These are from the kit as well, and I added these images on just in my word processor. Another one of the Japanese postcard images of mine. And this is also, I printed onto the back, a postcard from the kit. Here's another of the papers, and then one of the pages from the kit turned into a little page, and another little envelope. There's that image again. And I love these little paper clips. I found those also at Staples. And then some goodies in here, just some little coal and ice coupons. Here's a little ticket from the kit. And I had this scrap of paper and a little piece of fabric that had a 25 on it, so I just sewed that together. In this pocket, another of the jar printables and a tag, and another of the Japanese postcards. And this is from the Yule paper. I love this one. It's pine cones there with flowers. Here's a lace pocket with another tag and another little index card. So lots of ephemera in here, lots of places to journal. Here's another of the pages that I turned into a journaling tag. And a pocket here, label from the kit. And again, get some more. Love this. Like on the cover. It's one of my favorites from the kit. And journaling space. And again, another music from the old design shop. Oh, here is a little charm that says Noel with a bulb pin. And another little mini page, an image from the kit. This side has a little pocket with some goodies in it. And this is a little, I think these, were these pot holders? And I love this one too. And another piece of ephemera, and then this is some Christmas baking recipes. Those are from the old design shop. Pocket made from a doily piece and some parchment, some green parchment. This is the page. It's a glassine bag that I folded over, but I did reinforce it with a couple of eyelets. Love this image too. And so there's two pockets here. I folded it over, sewed around, created one pocket from the original part of the bag. Here's another tag. And then some goodies tucked in here too. So there's definitely more room to put some more things in. That same image just as a little journaling card or to decorate another page or another project. So pretty. Here is a vintage Christmas card from, I think that says Gordon. Anyway, and some little note on the back, but you could open this up and journal inside if you wanted. And on the back cover here, we've got a 25 charm and another pocket from a piece of a runner. And some vintage music and a little glassine envelope. And this has a vintage Christmas seal, still is gummed on the back. And this is another of the printable images from the kit. A faux poinsettia leaf, journaling cards. And that's it. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is doing well. And I will see you back here again real soon, everybody. Bye.